Dr. Venkatraman Hegde from Bangalore. Basically, we are media people, and now we are working for agriculture. We are giving visual media support for farmers. Basically, we educate farmers, and we produce documentaries on various aspects of agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry, whatever it may be, all allied sectors. And we sell these DVDs at very reasonable rate for the farmers. And we are doing in Kannada, English, Hindi, and also in some other regional languages like Telugu, Malayalam, and we are planning for some other languages. Even we are sending our or selling our CDs to Sri Lanka and Afghanistan and to some extent Gulf countries. So it has got excellent future. This business has got, and we are unable to produce to the expectations of the farmers, because there are so many crops, so many varieties, so many other aspects of agriculture the farmers are expecting us to produce. Basically, our documentaries are technically accurate, and all these are very good education materials for farmers, for NGOs and Krishi Vijnana Kendras, training institutes, district training institutes. They all use our DVDs for their training program. At the same way, we do take up some campaigning, village campaigning for farmers using our DVDs. Not in Andhra Pradesh. We have our network throughout Karnataka and Tamil Nadu as of now. We are planning for other states in due course or in near future. Since last year, we are participating in this poultry exhibition, and we do participate in all major exhibitions across 4-5 states. And we cover the whole state, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Here the response is good, but we don't have the full range of poultry, but still the response is good, and we have done very good business. Basically, we are planning for one exclusive agricultural satellite television channel for agriculture, basically in Kannada. That will be in coming 3-4 years. And documentaries, of course, we will go for all Hindi and other languages, and we will produce many more titles on agriculture and allied aspects.